In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it if your microphone isn't working here on Windows 11. This is going to be multiple ways to troubleshoot and fix that issue. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first. Let's just do some basic checks. I recommend making sure that your external mic is plugged in properly. If your PC has separate audio ports as well, check to make sure you have the correct input jack plugged in. And for USB microphones, just try a different port and ensure the mute button is off. After doing all of those, we can actually dive into this. And what you're going to want to do is press that Windows key and just type in Device Manager and open this up. From here, go ahead and find the audio inputs and outputs section right here and expand it and find your microphone in here and right click on it. And what you're going to want to do is select Update Driver and then select Search Automatically for Drivers and wait for this to load. And if there is an update for your driver, you're going to want to install it. If Windows doesn't find anything, visit the manufacturer's websites for those updates. On top of that, back out of this section and just right click and make sure it says Disable Device here and not Enable Device. If it says Enable, go ahead and select that and turn on your microphone. If it's still not working for you, hit that Windows key again. And what you're going to want to do is type in Change System Sounds and hit enter, and it's going to open up a new page. It looks something like this. From here, go ahead and find the recording tab right here. Find your microphone in here, select it, hit properties, and what you're going to want to do is under the device usage section, just make sure that this device is turned on by selecting use this device, enable. If it's still not working for you, hit the Windows key again, and what you're going to want to do is go into your settings and then go into your privacy and security, specifically into that microphone tab down towards the bottom. And from here, once again, ensure that microphone access is turned on. And also ensure that the mic is not muted in a specific app. If it says off for a specific app, that means it is going to be muted on there. So just simply go ahead and tick it on. If issues persist in one app, Teams, Zoom, whatever, check those in-app microphone settings. If all else is still failing, restart your PC and that should help, especially if you did have to change any of those settings, just because sometimes you have to restart the PC in order for those settings to take effect. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.